Hey, so guys, I accidentally, ended the video, so this is part 2. This is part 2, okay? So I'm sorry about that, y'all. I was trying to turn my mic off, but I accidentally been pressing the screen record. So I should be Scraps and be like, hey, try me. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Monster Ash is stuck in my head. We all want that sweet, sweet. OMG. Bro, and then he has the audacity to sell his trash. Help. So yeah, guys, someone died. Someone died. So yeah, go watch my video that just happened. Bro, we got this map 2 times in a row already. Cosmo. Bro, I'm just trying to... Bro, where's a machine? I need a machine galore. Fake Tisha's over there. Okay, you distracting Tisha? What the freak? I'm just gonna do a machine to you guys. Get to elevator, guys. Get to elevator. So yeah, guys. Floor 9, no one is hurt. Except for the people that died. We're so pro. Bruh. We're so pro. Bruh. Pro. So pro. Oh guys, what are you doing? Oh my god. I need to do 30 machines. So yeah, I'm gonna play as YATTA for now on, guys. YATTA's kind of cool. No, I got YATTA like 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I was Rod. Okay. Bro, I'm getting kind of scared for floor 11 because that's when everyone starts dying. More machines from me. Guys, I don't know why the machine is like this. Like, I don't know why it's not going by its one string. Oh, get to the elevator. Unless you want me to do last. I already did 2 machines, guys. I'm not doing 3. Okay, good. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna leave that candy. I'm just gonna take that. And I'm gonna take that. Well, I wish I had Pebble's ability. Like, Pebble can sniff out items. Do you have thinking cap? You don't have thinking cap, let me. Let's just go to the elevator, guys. Just go to the elevator. There's different stranges if you hear. A. A. Okay, floor 10, guys. I could use a stopwatch. It's very common. I need to finish. If no, not the kitchen. Not scraps. We have twisted pebble. We're cooked. We're cooked. Bro, I think I'm just gonna, sit out. I'ma sit out. Bro, this is where everyone starts to fall apart. I mean, I don't need any more pebbles research. Because I have full research on pebble already. Bro, I am so scared. You're distracting a pebble? Okay. That's crazy. What I just said was crazy. I don't know why I say that. Nah. Pebble is crazy. No, Pebble! Bro, not Scrap. She's doing her little thing. It's crazy. Bro, I'm so scared. Oh my god, just a box is right there. What the Sigma? Not Scraps just getting people? Where's Scraps? Where is Scraps? Low-key, Pebble and Shelly sound the same. 3 more machines, guys. 3 more machines. Okay, I think everyone's distracting one. Bro, we can't find any machine because these stupid twistings. I see a machine over there. I'll risk it for the biscuit, guys. Maybe don't distract in that area and then we can do that machine. Like 4, 5. Yeah. OMG. This is where we fall apart. Oh my god, guys. Oh, Scraps is coming my way. Freak you, Scraps. probably missed a skill check. Oh my gosh, we're so cooked. Be so for real. Bro, Pebble's animation's so cute though. Not gonna lie. Please, please, hurry. I wanna get to the next floor already. Phew, someone's doing this last machine. Broski. The fact that I don't need any more research on Pebble is crazy. Like, I've been hoping for Pebble, and I got Pebble so many times now. Bro, I am so scared. Freak you. Thank God I didn't get her. I was in an elevator. Yeah, freak you, Scraps. Oh, you should have done that. You should have not done that. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. You can get a med kit, guys. What are you doing? Sorry, I was just scared. V, I knew it, there was a V on the 11th floor, guys. I just knew it. Hold up, I need to pick up all the research capsules I can. Freak, there's a YATTA. Pick up all the research capsules I can, guys. That's a shrimpo. Hi, V. What's up? Ooh. No, Pebble. I'm just gonna die to V, guys. Where is V? I give up. Okay, guys. That's a GG's, guys. That's a GG's. Okay. Let's see how many research I have on V, because I just want to see. I have 74 research on V. Wow, I am so 55. Wait, 83, 100, 117. I didn't play Danny's with that time, that's why. Connie, 100. Cosmo, 100. Yeah, I barely have any research on you. Finn, Flutter, Gigi, Joyride, Gibby Goob. This is not you, Gibby Goob. Anyways, this is the twisted we got, guys. This is the twisted we got. Poppy, she's the most easiest one. Anyways, Razzle Dazzle, Roger, Rudy, the Dirty Scraps, Shelly, 100, Cuba, 100, Tegan, Tisha, Toodles, and YATTA. So guys, I think that's it for me. YATTA is so good. I earned so much icon from her, and she slayed a lot this round. So that's it for me, guys. Yeah, just ask me questions in the comments. I'm gonna let you look at my stack for like a minute real quick. So I'm gonna say I had 150 blackouts, 233 from Danny Shop, machines finished 1,032, items picked up 2,477, tunes owned 22, iCore 8,320, floors survived 1,561, furthest floors 22, skins owned 26, trinkets owned 28. So, yeah, guys. That is it for today. I let you check all my buttons. And, so, that's it. So, Kamaya, out.